Are you ready to turn your words or images into stunning videos? Let's learn how to use Seedance 1.0, ByteDance's powerful AI video generator. First, open your browser. Seedance doesn't run directly on ByteDance's site. You'll need a third-party platform like RunComfy at runcomfy.com. These platforms let you try Seedance for free using trial credits. Now it's time to create. Click Generate Video, then Text to Video. Just type what you want to see. A futuristic city at dusk with flying cars zipping through neon-lit skyscrapers, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, and ambient synth music playing softly. So you can also change the resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. Once you're done, hit Generate, wait a few seconds, and your video will be ready. Preview it, make changes if needed, or download the final result. And just like that, you've brought your imagination to life with Seedance 1.0. No editing experience needed. Have fun exploring and creating your own awesome videos. We will leave 10 commands that show the AI capability. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.